Hello, good morning, students. Today is transcription number 93 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Sir, coming from the south, we are very happy that after a prolonged struggle, after a good deal of suffering by the people, and after several movements have been conducted by the people's representatives, Pondicherry has become one with us, though not still according to law. It is gratifying to know that the people of Pondicherry and the surrounding French settlements are very happy about their being reunited with the motherland, and it is in the fitness of things that the government of India has come and asked for sanction of expenditure there. With regard to Pondicherry and other French settlements in the south, what the Government of India has been doing and what the Chief Commissioner has been doing have won the approval of all sections of the people. Pondicherry has been going through very difficult times, and there have been uncertain political conditions for the past so many months, and it is really surprising how the law and order situation has been so successfully tackled, and how the people after a very long time have been assured of perfect law and order in that area. Pondicherry has been notorious for the disturbances, and in the past 2 months the situation worsened because of lack of cooperation between the administration and the people, and it is after a very long spell of time that the people of Pondicherry are enjoying a stable government. The government of the day and the chief commissioner have been doing their best to establish perfect and cordial relations between all sections of the people. The chief commissioner is also trying to give the people of Pondicherry a perfect democratic setup. So it is not true to say that he has been doing things which are not in the interests of the people or which are not conducive to democratic functioning of institutions there. All the political parties which have been openly siding for the merger have been recognized, and it is with them that we have to get along till elections are held in Pondicherry, till a final decision is made by the people whether they would be with the Indian Union or not. Till then, the government of India have done a good thing in nominating people's representatives to official positions so that there may be better collaboration between the people and the government. It has also been said that they have provided enough money for carrying out ordinary repairs and also for medical facilities and other amenities that are necessary to the people of the place. I would like to refute the allegation that the government have been partial to one political party and are trying to dominate other political parties which also worked for the freedom of the people. The government have been taking a non-partisan attitude and have recognized the claims of the people. It is the people who have to finally decide, and the people's representatives have been given the recognition